guys, and welcome to my channel Hot and Spicy Guyana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some nice Guyanese chicken curry. So if you want to learn, just sit back, relax, and join with me for a simple but awesome recipe. Let's get into it. So guys, I've gathered all of my ingredients here that I needed for my curry, starting off first with my chicken. Then I've got some ground masala, curry powder, some tomato paste, potatoes, grated onion and garlic, which I've mixed together with some water, my chicken seasoning, and oil. What I did is gathered the chopped chicken, then I washed it off with some lime, and after doing that I mixed it with some of the cool running seasonings. Now this step is optional. Most people do not mix their chicken with seasoning, but I like to do that and let it sit while I'm preparing my other ingredients. Now what I'm going to do is mix together all of these ingredients, the tomato, curry powder, and ground masala, into this garlic and onion mixture. Now after mixing all of the spices together, this is what the mixture looks like. So now to this mixture, I'm going to add some of my chicken seasoning. Now I do this to taste, and also I've added some salt to taste. So guys, this is what it looks like after everything has been mixed together. You can also add some pepper to this if you're a spicy person, but because I'm breastfeeding, I'm not going to add any pepper or hot sauce to this mixture. After everything has been mixed and it's sitting waiting, I've now add some oil to my pan, and I'm letting this heat for about a minute or two on medium high. So guys, after the oil has been heated, I'm throwing this mixture into the oil. And at this point, this is where we say in Guyana, we're chunking the curry. So guys, after you throw that mixture into the oil, the hot oil, you make sure to turn your stove down a little bit because you don't want this to overheat. Now that the mixture is in here, you're gonna let this simmer, and you throw some water so that you can get all of the bits out from here. And you just throw it into the pan. And you let this boil for a little bit. So guys, after mixing this around in the oil, you want to do that until you see the oil is evaporated from the mixture and there's bubbles all around it, the way it's showing here. So guys, now that you've gotten the right amount of texture of the mixture that you want, now I'm going to add my chicken to this and just whisk it around until it's evenly distributed. Mind you, I'm turning back my heat to maximum. Now you're gonna let this simmer, so all of the juices from the chicken and the water that the chicken usually produces, you let it simmer until all of that has been gone from the chicken. So guys, after I've chunked my chicken, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add my potatoes to this. And I'm just going to whisk it around until it's evenly distributed. After doing this, I'm going to add my water, and I'm adding just enough to cover the chicken. You don't want to add too much water to this because it's just going to be watery. Now that I've added my water to this, I'm going to cover the pot and let this boil for 30 minutes. At this point, you can taste your curry to see if the ingredients you put in was just enough, or if it wants a little bit more salt or a little bit more seasoning, you can add to taste. guys, this is what the curry looks like when it's done. The way you can tell is by taking a fork and sticking it into the potatoes. If the potatoes are soft, you know that you can take your curry off. Now I'm going to enjoy this with some roti because it looks so good. So guys, this is what the curry looks like when it's done. Now I'm going to have this with some roti and some rice. So there you have it guys, another good recipe down. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can comment on what you'd like to see me make. Have a good weekend. Bye.